Hi everyone, welcome back to Swift with Serhan. Basically, in this video, I would like to cover a topic, very exciting topic, if you would like to become an iOS developer in 2025. As we know, iOS ecosystem is mature enough for us to develop very fancy applications, especially with the SwiftUI framework and also with Swift 6. Swift language is the fundamental for last 10 years for us to develop iOS applications. And as we all know, Apple held an event in America, WWDC 2025. If you are interested in what is introduced in WWDC 2025, please go and watch these videos. But it's important to know that they have introduced a new design which is called Liquid Glass, and I'm really excited about it. Myself, I haven't tried it yet, but I will be covering some topics about with Liquid Glass. But before that, actually, before everything, as I mentioned, the Swift is very important language to start with the iOS development. So for you, if you want to start your career, and if you are at the beginning of your career, please go and visit the website Hacking with Swift. Paul Hudson actually covering learning courses about Swift, and it is called 100 Days of Swift. Okay, so you can start learning Swift from this resource. And also, if it is a question mark for you, should I learn UI Kit or should I learn Swift UI? In my opinion, UI Kit is still legacy. So there are applications on the App Store which has been developed by using UI Kit. So I believe it's important to learn UI Kit as well. So with that said, I can recommend you one resource on Udemy, the Swift Arcade Professional iOS Development course by Jonathan. Basically, myself, I went through with this course and I really liked it. It's really important to cover the UI kit, because in your whole career you won't go through and find and see if UI code. You will be dealing with the UI kit code as well. So it's important to understand the UI kit, the auto layout of the UI kit, how back in the time with the UI kit, how we were creating the UI and the design. And with that said, actually, I also want to mention about Sean Allen. Sean Allen is really quite a cool guy who covers who has paid courses and free content on YouTube, which you can find many videos about iOS development. He covers many new topics, old topics, anything comes to your mind. Also, he has very exciting videos about interview preparation content. Another thing is that is important. Another resource is Swift with Vincent. Also, Vincent is covering quite good topics about Swift development, iOS development. He has also videos and shorts about iOS development, recent topics, full courses, so that you can learn iOS development. Code with Chris. Chris is also covering very exciting topics about iOS development. Also, he talks about the Git. As in our career, learning Git is very important because we are going to work within the team, so versioning of our code is important. And he also has his own website. He has paid courses, he has free courses you can go and check out. And these are the main resources I would like to cover on this video for you to start for your career to start iOS development. Also, myself on my channel, I'm covering some Swift development, iOS development topics. If you would like to be a part of and watch my content, you can go ahead and find my playlist on YouTube. And I hope you find this video entertaining and informative for you to start your career, and I'm looking forward to take this kind of videos in future very frequently for you if you are starting your career recently, or if you are looking for development or improvement on your career. Please go ahead and subscribe my channel, and you will be able to find everything related with the iOS development.